Today I'm going to talk about the astrology perspective of Masa. Masa, which means the month, is very, very important. The month are generally calculated from the 15th. Normally, in the Tamil Panchanga, the month is calculated based on the 15th. Like, for example, January 15th to February 15th is supposed to be Mesha Masa, and February 15th to March 15th is supposed to be the Vaigasi Masa, like that. Now, that is the entire thing which we have looked into it across. We are not looking at it as a month like the perspective like that of the Telugu Panchang, which almost starts the month at the beginning of the Julian calendar. Like they almost take it first or second of every month, and the Mardua calendar takes it as Ekadesi as the first month. All those things we are not taking. We are simply taking the movement of the sun, which will help us to gain about the knowledge of the month. Generally, month can be divided into good months and bad months. Generally, from the Lagna, you can take those months as good and bad. Now, generally, the month from the Lagna of 6, 8, 12 is supposed to be negative. Now, this is a very, very important perspective which is not understood by many astrologers. They ask the question, sometimes the sun transits the 6, 8, 12 months. Actually, nothing happens. During your Raja Yoga Dasha, your Raja Yoga Bhukti, or your Raja Yoga transit, the negative months of 6, 8, 12 will be neutral, or no negative impact will be shown. But during your negative time, during your very difficult time, the 6, 8, 12 months will start showing a lot of negative impact into people's life. So therefore, first you have to distinguish whether you are going to have a Raja Yoga Dasha or Raja Yoga Bhukti, or you are going to have a Raja Yoga transit. For example, one of my friend came and asked me how this Rahu Ketu transit is going to be. I said, please take the month in which it is being transiting across. He said, I am Dhanur Lagna, the sun will be transiting the 4th house from now. I said, check the beginning of the Masa and the entire Masa. You will see there won't be a lot of negative things. Either things will be neutral or it will be positive across. Then you know that your entire transit is going to be good. So this is a very, very important technique. If your 6, 8, 12 months are very negative, generally the transit is going to be very, very bad. If the 6, 8, 12 months are negative in a Dasha or a Bhukti, generally the transit is going to be bad. Somebody was having a Rahu Dasha and the sun was transiting his 8th house. I told if in the 8th house you are going to have a lot of issue, then the entire Rahu Dasha is going to be a problem. It turned out to be a winner, that he had problem in the 8th house. In fact, his mother was sick. He had a lot of difficulty across. Actually, he went down after that. So please understand, your Janma Masa is very, very important. There was a guy who had Magara Lagna and got a TV program when the sun was transiting the 8th house across. I actually wondered whether the TV program will continue for a very long period of time. The moment the sun transited into the 9th house, his TV program got cut. They called up and they said, they gave some excuses that like they wanted some women's program across. So generally, when a thing is initiated in the 6, 8, 12 months, you are going to have a lot of problem, lot of issues, lot of difficulty across. So please be very, very careful across. For example, there was a lady who got married in the month which was her 12th month, and her marriage turned out to be a lot of problems across a person. So generally for Muhurta Shastra, it is better not to get married from the Lagna, the 6, 8, 12 months. Now many people try to calculate the moon as a very important indicator, and from there they try to talk about transit. We generally talk about the Lagna because that is how it is given in the Bhrigu Nandi Nadi. The Bhrigu Nandi Nadi always takes the perspective from the lagna, and it does not take the perspective from any of the moon's nakshatra, which is very, very important. Now, the Rashi is not given important. Though Paladipika explains very clearly that the transits can be seen from any of the lagna or any of the Rashi, but the Janma, but seeing from the moon is supposed to be very good. But it does not say don't see it from the lagna. So from the lagna, the 6, 8, 12 months, if they are very positive, which means you are going to have a tremendous Raja Yoga time across. Normally, it will be either neutral or it will be negative. If it is neutral or positive, which means you are going to have a good time across. If it is going to be negative, it means you are having a bad time. So also from the Bhukti, you check your the transit of moon from the 6, 8, 12 period. You will see there will be heavy expenditure. There will be a lot of heavy expenditure will be there. Now I'll give you another example. It can be subtle. It need not be very gross. It need not be a huge problem can be across. For example, there was a guy who had a small leg injury during the transit of the 6th house. But after a few years, when the sun again transited that period, he had a heavy leg injury across. And actually he was able to correlate it many times due to the planetary delusion. We might not be able to correlate the time pattern of it. So therefore he correlated it. So the 6th, 8th and the 12th Masa is supposed to be very, very difficult. And in case the 6, 8, 12 Masa becomes the Atika Masa, somewhere the calendar adjusted itself to the Atika Masa, you are going to get into a lot of difficulty. Actually, my father died when the sun was in the 8th house, and my mother died when the sun was very close to my 12th house across. So therefore, you need to understand the Masa. Whenever you start a new thing, either a new career, new job, anything, during the 6, 8, 12 months, it will not continue for a very long time. It will break up. In fact, the 8th house is supposed to be a very, very diabolic house. That is why it is called as the Ashtamesh house, which you need to be very, very careful across. So therefore, I request you to be very careful during the 6, 8, 12 months. You take it from the Lagna and you will be able to clear it across. And also the 6, 8, 12 planets in the various houses also you need to be careful. When the Saturn transits the 6, 8, 12 lordship, generally there will be a lot of negativity which will be happening across. I pray God that may you understand and may you subscribe to the channel, because you will learn a lot of easy techniques from astrology which will be very, very helpful to you as a person. Somebody asked me, can you predict somebody's disaster? I said yes. In your Janma Masa is supposed to be very negative. You will have a lot of problem which will be coming in. If Janma Masa and the Janma Nakshatra combines together and that period is a problem, you are going to get into a lot of problem across. Therefore, please be careful. And also, children born in 6, 8, 12 Lagna from your Lagna are not generally going to bring you a lot of peace and happiness. There is going to be a lot of difference and unhappiness across. So therefore, it is very important that you develop the subtle side, the subtle indicators across, which will help you to overcome a lot of difficulties. Generally, there are many confusing theories about astrology which are not very clear, which you cannot understand across, and you will be very confused. From this way, you can easily and clearly understand the astrological theory and you can employ it in your daily life across. So therefore, the Janma Masa, it's important. If your Janma Masa and the other person Janma Masa is in 6, 8, 12, you are going to get into a lot of problem because of this particular person. So become very, very careful about whether your Janma Masa and the other Janma Masa is in 6, 8, 12. You will generally come to an understanding about how is your relationship with the person. Sorry, I am sweating in the YouTube because there is some problem with the electricity and the fan, but I wanted to pass on this important information. That is why I spoke in the video. I hope you will excuse me, but you will see the content which is very, very important. Thank you so much.